The world of action cameras is about to be turned upside down, and if you think you've seen everything the industry has to offer, you are in for a massive wake-up call, because the DJI Osmo Action 7 is not just an incremental update. It is a total reimagining of what a compact cinema tool can actually do in 2026. For years, we have been trapped in a cycle of minor sensor improvements and slightly better stabilization. But what DJI is rumored to be preparing for this release feels like a jump into a different decade entirely, moving away from being just a vlogging tool and becoming a legitimate high-end production powerhouse that fits in the palm of your hand. Imagine standing on the edge of a mountain or diving deep into the ocean and knowing, with absolute certainty, that the device in your hand isn't just capturing video, but is capturing a level of dynamic range and color depth that was previously reserved for cameras costing 10 times the price. The whispers coming out of the supply chain suggest that DJI has finally cracked the code on low-light performance in a small form factor sensor, potentially utilizing a revolutionary stacked CMOS architecture that allows for unprecedented light intake without the grain and noise that has plagued action cameras since their inception. We are talking about a leap so significant that the gap between a professional mirrorless setup and this rugged, waterproof box is narrowing to the point of disappearing, making this the most anticipated piece of tech for creators, adventurers, and tech enthusiasts across the globe. As we peel back the layers of these leaks, the first thing that demands our attention is the rumored 1-inch plus sensor, a custom-engineered piece of silicon that is said to offer a native resolution capable of pushing 8K at high frame rates, a feat that seemed impossible for a device this size just 12 months ago. This isn't just about the number of pixels, it's about the quality of those pixels and the processing power behind them. With a new specialized AI engine that manages heat dissipation so effectively that 30-minute continuous recording at maximum settings is no longer a dream, but a standard guarantee. Think about the implications for high-stakes cinematography, where you cannot afford a thermal shutdown in the middle of a once-in-a-lifetime shot, as the Action 7 is built to endure the most grueling environments while maintaining a bitrate that will make professional editors weep with joy. The design itself is whispered to be a masterclass in ergonomics and durability, featuring a new sapphire glass coating on both the lens and the dual-screen setup, ensuring that even the most brutal scratches and impacts won't ruin your view or your footage, effectively making this the tank of the camera world. But the real magic lies in the software integration and the way DJI is reportedly leveraging neural networks to provide real-time, on-device color grading and horizon leveling that feels almost supernatural in its smoothness. The new Rocksteady 5.0 is rumored to be so advanced that it uses predictive algorithms to anticipate camera shake before it even happens, resulting in footage that looks like it was shot on a heavy-duty gimbal, even when you're sprinting through a forest or tumbling down a ski slope. Furthermore, the introduction of a modular audio system means that for the first time, an action camera might actually deliver studio-quality sound without the need for external bulky microphones, using a multi-mic array that intelligently isolates the subject's voice from wind noise and ambient chaos. This is the hardware that changes the game for solo creators in the United States and beyond, providing a crew-in-a-box experience that allows one person to produce content that looks like it had a Hollywood budget behind it. As we move deeper into the technical specifications, the rumors of a dual ISO system specifically tuned for extreme high-contrast environments are perhaps the most exciting for those who shoot at sunrise or sunset, where the sun usually blows out the highlights and leaves the shadows in total darkness. The Action 7 is expected to handle these scenarios with ease, preserving the texture of the clouds while revealing the intricate details of the foreground, providing a cinematic look that has been the holy grail of action videography for years. There is also talk of a significantly improved battery technology, possibly a solid state or high-density lithium-silicon hybrid that offers 40% more runtime in the same physical footprint, solving the number one complaint of every action camera user in history. You won't just be recording clips. You will be recording whole experiences without the constant anxiety of a dying battery indicator. And when you do need to juice up, The new hypercharge protocol is said to provide an 80% charge in just under 15 minutes. Connectivity is another area where DJI is looking to dominate. With integrated 6G-ready chips and ultra-fast Wi-Fi 7 protocols that allow for near-instant wireless offloading of massive 8K files, meaning your workflow from the field to the editing suite is faster than ever before. For the professional market, the rumor of a Pro variant or a hidden cinema mode that unlocks 12-bit RAW recording via an external recorder is the kind of feature that makes the Action 7 a viable B-cam, or even an A-cam for independent filmmakers. The pricing strategy is also expected to be aggressive, aiming to undercut the competition while offering twice the value. A move that could solidify DJI's position as the undisputed king of the action camera market for the next decade. When you add up the sensor improvements, the AI-driven stabilization, the thermal management, and the incredible audio, you aren't just looking at a camera. You're looking at the future of digital storytelling. The DJI Osmo Action 7 is coming to redefine your reality. And the question isn't whether you need it, but how you ever lived without it.